Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. So I installed a front lip previously with the plastic and a carbon fiber texture on that plastic front lip, but it kind of gave out with the screw and also the tape after a year because of, I think mostly because of the impact from the scrape. Let me show you my front of my house. You see it has this steep up and down, so this time I definitely need to be more careful on this new real carbon fiber. That's why I'll be installing the new carbon fiber front lip on my Tesla Model 3 today. This is the real dry carbon fiber this time. So in today's video I'll show you the quality of the carbon fiber, and this front lip is actually carbon fiber from CMST, but I got it from EV Base. They are selling a few CMST front lips now on their website, so that's why I wanted to test it out, and after that I'll show you the whole installation process. This is my first time with a real carbon fiber front lip installation. I couldn't find anywhere on the internet how to do it, so I'll just try to figure it out myself and then share the whole installation experience with you. And at the end we'll show you how it looks on my Tesla Model 3. Now let's go. Now let's see what comes in the box of this new dry carbon fiber front lip spoiler for Tesla Model 3. This is for the current Model 3 2020 18 actually to 2023 Model 3. It's actually CMST brand, but I got it from EV Base, which has special deal with my discount code. So it came with two pieces, one piece on the top which will be attached to the front bumper, and the second piece to the bottom. So this piece will go underneath, attached to the top part, just like so, just like that. And it came with all the hardware, so we'll be screwing on to the underneath of the bumper, and also 2 rows of 3M double-sided tape and alcohol wipes. So before we install, we have to apply the tape first, and then we'll screw it on the bumper. Let me show you the closer look of the actual carbon fiber bumper. It looks really nice. It's really high quality gloss. It actually looks better than some of the interior real carbon fiber in the in Tesla. Actually, look at that quality of the carbon fiber. Wow, I'm impressed. I didn't expect the exterior part would be this nice quality. This is the real dry glossy carbon fiber. Now let me show you where you can get this new real carbon fiber front lip. You can get the new real carbon fiber front lip for Model 3 from EV Base. They have a few designs here. They're all, I believe, CMST brand. This is the design style number 1, style A, and the one I got is a style B, which is the same as this one right here, and then last is a style C. So all of these are real carbon fiber. So the one I got is style B, and if you are interested, you can use my special discount code DADTC for extra discount. After you apply the code, it's actually give you almost $200 discount, so it'll be $783 after the discount. Let me show you a comparison between EV Base and CMST. This is the same exact front lip, as you can see, same thing that I got, but CMST is actually $988. It's actually the same exact front lip. Alright, now let's go and install it on my Tesla Model 3. Now let's apply the 3M double-sided tape on the front lip first. So first thing first, you have to apply the alcohol. Just clean the front lip before you apply the adhesive promoter. So they give us a few packages of this. I don't think it's enough, so I bought some more. In case I bought some more from Amazon, I'll put the link down below too. So it came with one bottle and a few packages with the wipes. So this will help the adhesive on the tape to stick a lot longer and better on both surfaces. So both on the front lip and on your bumper. And I also got a better double-sided tape for this project. It came with a really skinny, I don't think it's strong enough or it's big enough for this project, so I got these double-sided tape. This is for automotive double-sided tape exterior, so this should be a lot stronger than whatever came in the package. I'll put the link of this in the description down below too. So first, let's clean it up with rubbing alcohol first. So first, get the clean microfiber towel and then apply the rubbing alcohol on the towel and then just clean up the surface of the area that we will be applying double-sided tape. So this low piece, I will leave it as optional because I kind of like the look of the front lip with this lower piece. We'll see after we install the main piece first. This I don't see any place to attach it with a screw, so you would have to use the double-sided tape for this piece too. I'm not sure how strong it is. It will stick to the main piece. All right, now let it dry and then we'll apply the adhesive promoter, this one. Now let's apply the adhesive promoter on the surface. I highly recommend to use the glove like this because this might irritate your skin because it's really strong chemical in here. So just open up the package and then there's a adhesive promoter wipe inside like so. And then you can just open it up and then just wipe the surface that will be applying the adhesive tape on it. So I'll just apply the whole surface with it. After you're done applying, you need to wait about 5 minutes, then we can apply the tape. Now just apply this double-sided tape on the surface. Okay, just finished applying all the tape on the front lip. As you can see, I just put as much or as many tapes as I could to just cover the surfaces because I just don't want to just fall off from my bumper. Same thing here. Still, I will keep this one as an option. It looks pretty good even without that lower part. See, it looks similar to a new Model 3 Performance with that a little front lip over and down. Right now, we are ready to apply and install it on my Tesla Model 3. First, make sure the surface is clean and then use again rubbing alcohol to clean the surface again, especially all the surface that's contacting directly to the adhesive or the double-sided tape. Okay, next use the adhesive promoter, same thing that we apply on the actual front lip, and apply on the surface here. Apply to all the surface that be attaching the front lip with the double-sided tape. Now we wait for 5 minutes and then we'll apply front lip to the bumper. So we peel the tape on the top just like this, and then on the bottom, and then keep attaching and then peeling from left to right. Okay, after you're done attaching and then removing all the double-sided tape covers, just hold on to each section about at least 30 seconds and wait until the tape is dry, and then use the masking tape to put on the bumper and between, to hold the bumper and of course the front lip together, and then I would just leave it for half an hour at least, or an hour, to make sure they all attach properly. It seems like it attaches well with the bumper. Now we have to drill or attach the screws. Use the power tool, attach it with the ring, so it stay better. Make sure you put the ring on before you drill it on the bumper. After you're done installing all the screws, just leave the tape on like this for at least, I'll just leave it on for an hour, make sure everything attached well, the adhesive attached well to a front bumper. And then we'll come back and attach this part. I kind of like it without it, but I will try to attach it and see how well it sticks, because or it is just the double-sided tape. I'm not sure how it sticks. If it sticks well, I'll leave it on, but when it falls off, it's just gonna take it off, I guess. But yeah, it looks pretty good so far. I forgot to mention, I just used this 4 inches, I think 4.5 ramp for this project, so just high enough so I can go under and then put the power tool to screw in the front lip. I got these from Amazon.com. It's pretty cheap, pretty affordable. I'll put the link in the description down below for these two. Okay, now let's try to attach the bottom part. Same thing here, already cleaned the bottom part with alcohol, and now just use the adhesive promoter and then just wipe it on the area that'll be attaching. Right here, I think. Let me see. And I believe it's about around here. Just apply on the attaching point. There you go. Now we wait. Now let's try to attach it. So find this point left and right. There's like a bump. Attaching to it, and then it will fall in place on this side. Right there. So left and right, and then just hold it for a good 30 seconds. Now we just attach the middle part and then hold it for another good 30 seconds to a minute. Alright, so it actually looks pretty good with it. I kinda like it with it though. Hopefully it stays for a while. I'm not sure how long it's gonna stay, well, we'll see. So just, put more masking tape to hold the whole thing together. So it's been about an hour since we put this on together with the masking tape. So but this part right here, I'm not sure if you can see it. You see this one right here? So this one has a little space. This one, it's no gaps. So this one has a little gaps right here, maybe on this side. It's getting dark out. Yeah, see? It's a little gap. We'll see. I'll show you more later, maybe tomorrow after the light's back. And we'll just leave this thing for the whole night. We'll come back tomorrow. Alright, welcome back. Looks really good. So it's I left the tape on the whole night, and it stays really well, even though it has some gaps here, as you can see, and another gaps here. Here it's a little bigger gaps on this side, but it's stay on because of the screw, and there are tapes underneath part of the front lip and the bumper too, so hopefully it stays for a while and doesn't fall off on the highway. Yeah, let me show you how it looks on my Tesla Model 3. good actually. I love how it fits really well with my Aero wheels. This is the new Aero wheels. I put them back. This is all season tires now, you know, back to spring and summer. So with these wheels, damn, I love the look. And the front end, I really like. With the bottom piece, actually it looks more complete. Of course, you know, with the bottom piece, hopefully it stays well. As I mentioned before, it's only stick together with the double-sided tape, but I bought a higher quality double-sided tape for all of these. As I mentioned before, I highly recommend. Doesn't really matter what kind of a front lip you're getting for your car, highly recommend to get a better double-sided tape. Don't use the one that comes in the package. They usually give you a less quality or cheaper version, of course. But yeah, I'll put the link for sure in the description down below for the double-sided tape that I got from Amazon, and let me know what you think. And it turns out pretty awesome. I love the overall looks. It makes the front end of my car looks lower because even though my car's not lower, I didn't change the suspension or the coil at all, it's just stock. But with this front lip, it looks a lot lower. I don't like the whole, you know, body kit things. I don't really, you know, modify my car, you know, to be lower or super racy. I just like a little front lip like this, and it just, you know, finish the touch. And with the rear spoiler, looks really good together like this. I got this rear spoiler from Halo Black. It's really good quality. I just need to wash the car, I guess. Yeah, looks pretty awesome. Turned out really good. Alright, the installation is done. It took me about, I would say, about an hour. At least because you have to wait for a few things to dry it up, and then, you know, attaching adjustment and all that. So it takes a little bit longer time than I expected because this is my first time with this front lip. I installed the plastic version before. A little bit easier than this one because the fitment doesn't have to be quite perfect to fit, but this one, it actually has to be like perfect to fit right with no gaps. Like as you can see, this one has a little gap. I wish it didn't have these gaps, the one to the left and right. Otherwise, the quality of the carbon fiber of course, you know, CMST has a good quality carbon fiber front lip like this one. And let me know in the comment down below what you think about this front lip on my Tesla Model 3. Finally, I get to put the real carbon fiber on. Hopefully I don't scrape them a lot, because the more you scrape, less likely it's gonna stay long. So hopefully I don't scrape them. And thank you so much guys for watching today's video. I'll make sure to put the link of this front lip in the description down below and special discount code for you too. And don't forget to click like if you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome contents like this. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.